Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have something here from the Spice Lab. This is a woman-owned and family-run business. The Spice Lab takes great pride in offering the widest selection of sea salts from a single source. Its ever-expanding line of products include peppers, spices, seasoning, rubs, loose teas, gourmet gift collections, Himalayan salt shot glasses, and plates. Regional brands, private labeling, a wide array of corporate gifts, and more. Perfect for holiday gifts. That's why Mommy Ramblings has put it on our 2018 holiday gift guide. And I have for you the Mediterranean seasoning collection. So let's take a look at what's inside here. All right, so the first is the Sicilian blend, which is an all-around multi-purpose Italian seasoning with a touch of extra heat. Next we have the spicy Italian sun-dried tomato. It's a versatile blend with chilies and umami-packed sun-dried tomatoes. Then we have the Mediterranean citrus herb, which is dill and bright citrus notes, perfect for chicken, fish, or vegetables. That sounds great. And then we have the French onion and garlic, which is a multi-purpose seasoning. It's the little black dress of the spice pantry. Something, you should never be without. So all products are processed and packaged in the Spice Lab HACCP certified manufacturing facility in Pompano Beach, Florida. The company's high-quality line of products can be found in grocery, gourmet, specialty gift shops, food service, clubs, major retailers, and online through Amazon.com, as well as spices.com. I'll put a link in the video description so you can check their products out. And I'm not sure if we're doing a giveaway. If we are, of course it will be added. You'll see a link in the video description. But can't wait to try these out. And they have lots of other packages. They have, just for example, I'll let you know some of them. They have Taste of America collection. They have the turmeric seasoning collection. The Mediterranean seasoning collection is what I showed you. The barbecue seasoning collection. And then they have different individual seasonings. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you've ever tried these and what you think, and let me know, what you think of this. Does this sound good to you? There's, some of them that come in the other kits are bad to the bone, savory and sweet with a touch of lemon for ribs, steak, and chicken, or turmeric chicken salt with lemon and thyme to turn your Sunday roasted chicken into a family event. Or there's fiery southern charm, smoky and spicy, adding a little sass to any dish. So maybe someone on your holiday gift guide would appreciate this. Maybe you'd appreciate this for a holiday gift. Let me know, and thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.